This video is a reminder about the top-down data structure in Perfect PA and more about user fields and categories. You can also find this described in full in Best Practice found in the Help menu and which we have described in an earlier video. In another earlier video about Perfect PA's preferences, we showed you how to name your user fields and define categories or characteristics applicable to your contacts or businesses. Each contact or business has a contact type, which is A or B or C or whatever you decide are the options subject to your business model. Broad brush items: customer, supplier, suspect, prospect, etc. Then there are user fields, and you define the names of the fields. Some are date fields, some alphanumeric fields. You define them to suit your own business model. The data in these fields will be semi-permanent but can change. A child's height, for instance, changes year by year. There are sets of fields to cope with different needs for different areas of your work. Then there are categories, permanent attributes or characteristics of your contacts or businesses, and you can create an infinite number of these theoretically. If we look at the Overview tab, you can see the categories assigned to this record, Mr. Dumglass. Also on the Overview tab is a bit of everything but not complete data. We'll return to the Work tab. Let's now look at user fields. See here that one of the names, which we changed in an earlier video from user-defined name 11C to ZZZZZ, shows ZZZZZ here, and you can change all the other user-defined names to suit your business model. By using this drop-down arrow here, you switch to different sets of user fields and you can select one. Notice how the user-defined names have changed to our preset ones, and they can change to whatever you subsequently choose them to be. And you can change the name of the set of fields. Change it back to 1. In the previous video, we spoke of the replace field contents and index buttons alongside each user field and alongside some other fields and flags. Note also the up and down red and green sort arrows sorting your data alphabetically so that when looking through your found set of records using the navigation console here, the records will appear in an alphabetical order relevant to the field by the arrows that you used. For more extended sort functionality, you can go to the Records menu up here at the top of your screen and then choose Sort. We have a found set here of 14 records. Let's go to Sort. Records menu, Sort Records. On the left, we have the names of all our fields, and on the right, we build our proposed sort order, and each field can be in ascending or descending order, or a custom order. We move our chosen fields like this. Select one, move. Select another one, move. Now we can press Sort. We have sorted by first name and then surname. If there were more than one person with the same first name, the sort of this subset would be by surname, ascending or descending alphabetical order as selected in the selection section in the Sort Records menu here. Now let's look at categories. By going to the Marketing tab here, we can see a list of the current, historical and archive categories for each contact. These are those for Mr. Dumglass. The same can be seen in businesses. Above, here, we see where we create a new category, assign its type using the drop-down arrow. We select current, historical or archived. Current, we select the category, dummy category 3, and we assign the category. Notice here in this example we've assigned dummy category 1 twice, so if we press the X here we can delete it. Over here to the right, see these buttons which allow you to create a category set or to change or delete a category. And here to search on categories. More about these buttons in a later video. That completes this video. The next video will be about lists and reports.